Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to make corned beef brisket. It's a very delicious meal from now and then, and you can make it with your family and you will get to enjoy it. So let's just get right into it. This is the corned beef brisket I'm going to use. It is a 2.59 pound. I'll get it out of the package and I will start seasoning it. Now that my corned beef brisket is out of the package, I'm sprinkling it with some pepper. I do not put salt because corned beef brisket is really salty. Then I will use any kind of seasonings I have. This one is Northwoods. You can use whatever seasoning of your liking. So once I'm done doing that, I will get my baking dish ready by putting aluminum foil because that's what I'm going to bake it into. And I will transfer the meat into the baking dish. And I will sprinkle some garlic powder. I am being very generous with the garlic powder, and I sprinkle it all over the meat and turn it over and also sprinkle it on the other side. Then I will also add oregano. I will turn it over and also season the other side. In the meantime, I will preheat my oven to 400 degrees and I will cook it for 3 hours. Since it is advised to cook meat for 1 hour per pound, so mine is 2.59 pound, so I will cook it for 3 hours. So I will cover it into aluminum foil. Make sure that it's really tight so that it will cook really well. So I'll put it in the stove. While the corned beef brisket is baking, I am going to prep my side dish, which is going to be cabbage and potatoes with carrots and celery. So I'm cutting the cabbage right now in small pieces and set it aside. I will also cut the carrots and the celery. In a cast iron skillet, I will put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I will add garlic and onion and saute it until it's translucent. I will also add salt and pepper and keep sauteing it. Then after a couple of minutes, I will add celery. Once my celery and onion is translucent, I will now add cabbage into it to saute it. I will add some olive oil so that the cabbage is not too dry. I will add some pepper onto it. And then I will let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until the cabbage is tender. And then I will set it aside because I don't want my cabbage to be soggy. I like it crispy, so I just cook it for 15 minutes and that will do the trick. In another cast iron skillet, I will pour 1 tablespoon of olive oil and add carrots to it. Now, I have previously boiled the carrots so that it can be tender. This is just to season the carrots. So I'm adding a couple of seasonings, oregano, black pepper, salt, just to give the carrots a little taste. So it's already tender. As you can see, it only takes a couple of minutes, and I'm also adding some garlic. Then I will also set it aside. I will also cook the potatoes and set it aside. The potatoes will be for another video. 3 hours and a half have went by. I actually cooked it longer than 3 hours, 3 hours and a half. So it went by and my corned beef brisket is ready. So I'm now cutting it. You can see how tender and easy the knife is going through it, so it's really good. Once I'm done cutting all my corned beef brisket, I'm sprinkling some parsley onto it just for seasoning, and I will taste it so you can see how very good and cooked it is. Really good, so enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the bell of notification so you can get notified every time I post a new video.